Just bringing our friend Dr. Ashish Jha, the Dean of the Brown University School of Public Health. Thanks for joining us again, Dr. Jha. Let's begin with this guidance for grandparents right now. A lot of families have not been together over the last year. Now it is possible if there are vaccinations in place.
Yeah, good morning, George. Thanks for having me on. It is. It's wonderful news. My parents who are vaccinated have not seen my kids in a year. It is really good news, and I think the CDC got this one right. Vaccinated grandparents can visit relatively, as long as the kids are low risk and the parents are low risk, they can get together in person without masks and social distancing.
Any cautions when they get together?
As long as you're keeping it pretty small, I think it's fine. I think I wouldn't get a large group together, multiple families. That's where it starts getting risky. But other than that, I think you can, as long as people are being reasonably careful and have been, I think you can get together pretty normally.
And how about vaccinated people? What can they do with people who've recovered from COVID?
Yeah, that's a really good question. We are still learning. I think if people have, we think that immunity lasts for at least 9 to 12 months after recovery. So you can, I think it's reasonable to say you can treat people who've recovered similarly to vaccinated, but we know less about that.
And how about the travel guidelines? The CDC chose not to change the travel guidelines, at least not yet.
Yeah, George, I think that's right. And the reason is there are a lot of high-risk people out there who still have not been vaccinated. And the more we travel, the more we tend to see this virus spread. And so my take is probably 4 to 6 weeks from now, majority of high-risk people should have been vaccinated. And at that time, a lot of this stuff becomes a lot safer.
So you're holding it, the same thing for bars, restaurants, basically reopening. Hold on for another month or so?
Yeah, look, there are a lot of folks who are older, people with chronic diseases, who have not gotten their first shot yet. Let's let those people get vaccinated. I really think it's going to happen in the next month or so. And then I think we can begin to relax these restrictions and begin to really get our lives back.
Dr. Jha, thanks again for your time this morning.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.